Welcome, 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 everybody. It's your girl, Delores, just a pink girl in her pink world, here on YouTube to talk to you about Delores Loves You, the gift guide to a happy Valentine's Day. This is episode 6, ladies and gentlemen. Boxed with love, creating custom gift boxes, ladies and gentlemen, where it's going to be short and simple. So let's get ready to get started. So I want to welcome you all to the wonderful show here today. And we're going to go straight over to Canva. Let's get to Canva. Hope everybody is doing well today. And here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go out into the search box. We're going to type gift box. For those who didn't know, this is an opportunity for you to make a gift box. It is. Scroll down. They have little black and white templates, but the template I want to show you all today is this one right here. It's pink and blue cube packing cutout printable, okay? I would suggest you do this on cardstock. As you see, it makes a box. Okay, so customized template. Now, there's another way I'm going to tell you after we customize this and talk about this exact thing. So, for you all to see exactly what we're talking about, we're going to zoom in from 38. You see how these boxes are shaped? Now, you can, if you have a big enough printer, print it out all at once. If you have a smaller printer, you can print out sections and put them together, but it should be able to be printed out all at once. Okay, so what you're gonna do is I can change this a whole template. Okay, so I want to do elements. We're gonna do pink love. Okay, I'm gonna go to photos. I'm going to look for something, but while I'm doing it, I'm gonna delete these cutesy little zigzags and lines. I'm also going to bring this down so you all can see. What I like about this template is there is instructions on how to fold them and do them on the second sheet, and then you can get some inspiration as far as copying and pasting a pattern. Okay? You can use this pattern right here to fill in to know what you're going to do for the first sheet. Okay? So while we're sitting here and looking, I'm going to look at some. I'm going to zoom in and let you see the DIY project. Okay? So this is one that's empty. You can change around. I'd rather change the first one around and leave these instructions as is. Okay, this is, you can delete the instructions on this page. Then you cut along the sides and you can customize the box how you want to. Okay? I like to go off templates sometimes where it's like, okay, I see where they're going and I'm going to go in the opposite direction, or I'm going to keep on the same pathway. So let's just see. I want to use this background and I want to start changing the boxes. Okay. So instead, we're going to do graphics. Instead of that, I'm going to do the little letter with the heart on it. Okay. So I'll take this, delete it. Now I see how it's orientated. So I already know I'm going to change it to be on this side like that was. So I'm going to change that out. Okay. I don't want the grid there. Delete the grid. I want a more pink background. So I would choose, take that light blue out, do a more of a pink background. I want this grid out. Okay. I want the bunny out. I see his orientation. I'm going to put a teddy bear in. Teddy bear. Okay. And I'm going to turn him around. Because I already know the way they folded it. There you go. Okay. I'm going to delete this middle box. I want to put with love on there. And I'm going to duplicate that. So we're going to bring that around. So undo that. So we're going to come around. Matter of fact, we're going to do with love right there. Okay, love is better together. Then I'm going to turn that around. Put that up here. So either way, it's going to have something on there. Let's see. Love you. That's cute. Do that right there. We're going to turn this around. Upside down. We're going to go there. We're going to go XOXO. Put it this way. Spin it around. Okay. So we're going to do that. This, I like the pinks. The grid has to go. The blue has to go. Okay. I want it to be less white, more pink. Less white, more pink. More pink, more pink. I'm going to go with this shade of pink. I think that's cute. That like a purplish pink. Shout out to my girl, Ruby Spot, who's a purple girl in her purple world. Okay, so there we go. I want to get this out of here. Get out of here. Okay, delete that too. I want to do some kiss, cracked lips. You know you love somebody, you let them kiss it with the cracked lips. Cracked lips. Here we go. Okay. So this is how we're getting to it. So like I'm gonna put this little I love you cake. I'm gonna change the colors up in a minute. Just trying to get what I want on there. Let's do there we go. Bring it out. So ladies and gentlemen, what we're gonna do now is I've gotten my beer. There we go. My big beer. I've gotten the lips. I've gotten the let's just do a balloon set of hearts on the other side. Okay. Okay. So let's bring it down. Let's bring that down. Let's turn that sideways. Turn it some sideways some more. And then we're going to bring that down. Bring that over where we can make that look a little bigger. Okay? Make that look a little bit bigger. Make that a little bit bigger. And then what we're going to do is some of the lines move. So let's go back under. There we go. That is cute as it is. I want to change the colors of this. So I think this baby pink should be more of a, I kind of like, okay, I like that one better. Okay. And then this one could be more of a, let's see. I like that pink though. That's more of a Delores girl pink. Pink girl in her pink world. There we go. Okay, so let's go. Let's see if we can get that one. We're going to leave that one. Let's see. I think this one should be this one. This one. What do I want to change about this one? Okay, no. Nope. Yeah, I like that one. A shade bit better. Okay. So it's all one packaging. We would cut up and fold this. I suggest using cardstock. I've done something similar, not with Canva. I didn't design it. I got it and was able to put it together just similar like this, like print it out. I bought a template way before I learned how to do this. So this right here makes it so easier to do on your own, especially when you have the instructions. That's why I say if you want to use the blank one, you can. I would say make a duplicate of it so you can keep up with the instructions and how things are supposed to be folded. Again, it'll make a box. You can put flowers, a small gift, maybe a ring. Okay, gentlemen, knock on wood, ladies. I'm praying for you to get your ring this season. Uh, so that is and you can plan out your templates by putting them down at the bottom, and you'll know, okay, this is the pattern I want to go with. As we saw initially, their pattern was like fun and cutesy and girly. I kind of kept on with this theme because my theme is about love, and so you got the love, you got the folded in, you got the different types of bears and different things. So fun, so cute, so loving. So you can fold it and it'll end up being on different images on different sides. They'll maybe have an image on the inside that is very heartfelt. Listen, I'm telling you, this is what we're doing. Now, there's another way to do this, and I'm going to explain this to you. Make like you're making a thumbnail. Put your pictures in there, do frames, like we did with the photo episode, and you can print those out. Either print it out on photo paper or regular paper if you have very good quality printer, and it will come out very good. And what you do is cut it. You can find any old shoe box, any Amazon box, any box, and decorate it with these pictures on the outside and on the inside of the box to make it very sentimental. You don't have to do all this if you don't want to. You can do the pictures you got from your photos and from the episode where we did frames and posters, and do this for your actual box that you have tangible, and just make sure you glue. When I say glue, I don't mean gloop it. Tape is not going to work. That makes it very bumpy and ridgy. I would say use some Elmer's glue stick, put it on the back of the photo, rub it on the box, make sure it's smooth, make sure there's no tears. It'll work out fine. Okay? My personal One that I like to use when doing projects like that is the purple Elmer's glue. I don't know why, but the Elmer's glue stick, I use that a lot. So, ladies and gentlemen, I told you it was gonna be short. I told you it was gonna be short. I said this is gonna be short and sweet and easy for you to do. Very easy. If you haven't made a gift box, this is your opportunity. And if you want to make it the other way that I told you, that is even easier. Okay. So let's get back to the studio. Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for coming to episode 6. Ladies and gentlemen, we're on episode 6 out of 14. You've made it this far. We can do anything, okay? Because this is Delores Loves You, the gift guide to a happy Valentine's. And this is episode 6, Boxed with Love. Create a custom gift box with me, Delores. So again, I want to tell you all thank you for coming. And I want to say peace.